Replacing windows is an important investment, but it doesn't have to come with overwhelming costs. Many homeowners delay window upgrades because they assume replacements will be expensive or complicated. For homeowners in Rockford, Casement Windows offer an affordable and practical replacement option that improves comfort, usability, and long-term value without breaking the budget. Why casement windows are a cost-effective choice? Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward using a simple crank mechanism. Their design allows for a tight seal when closed, which supports comfort and efficiency. For Rockford homeowners, this tight sealing helps reduce drafts and temperature fluctuations, making casement windows a smart option that delivers value without requiring premium upgrades. Affordable options without sacrificing quality. Affordability doesn't mean compromising on performance. Casement windows are available in a wide range of configurations that fit different budgets. Rockford homeowners can choose from practical frame materials and streamlined designs that keep costs manageable while still improving everyday comfort and reliability. Replacing old windows with minimal structural changes. One of the reasons casement windows remain affordable is their adaptability. They can often be installed within existing window openings without major structural modifications. In Rockford homes, this helps reduce labor costs and installation time, keeping overall replacement expenses lower. Improving comfort while staying on budget. Older windows often allow air leaks that make rooms uncomfortable. Even affordable casement window replacements can significantly improve this issue. Rockford homeowners frequently notice reduced drafts and more stable indoor temperatures after replacement, helping homes feel more comfortable without added expense. Supporting better airflow. Naturally, casement windows open fully, allowing fresh air to enter the home easily. This natural ventilation improves indoor comfort and reduces reliance on indoor systems. For Rockford homeowners looking for cost-effective ways to improve airflow, casement windows provide a practical solution that doesn't require complex upgrades. Simple designs that keep costs down. Casement windows are available in clean, uncomplicated styles that suit many home designs. Simpler designs often translate to lower costs. Rockford homeowners appreciate that these windows blend well with both traditional and modern homes while keeping replacement expenses under control. Long-term savings through reliable performance. Affordable doesn't mean short-lived. Casement windows are designed to perform reliably over time. Rockford homeowners benefit from windows that maintain their seal and operation, reducing the need for repairs or frequent adjustments and supporting long-term value. Flexible replacement options for different budgets. Window replacement doesn't have to happen all at once. Casement windows allow homeowners to upgrade one room or section of the home at a time. This flexibility helps Rockford homeowners spread out costs while still enjoying comfort improvements along the way. Enhancing everyday usability. Old windows can be difficult to open or close. Casement windows are designed for ease of use, even in hard-to-reach areas. Rockford homeowners enjoy smoother operation and better control over ventilation without investing in high-end features. A smart, budget-friendly upgrade. Replacing windows is about improving how a home feels and functions, not overspending. For homeowners in Rockford, affordable casement window replacement options offer a balanced solution. By delivering comfort, airflow, and reliability at a manageable cost, casement windows make it easier to upgrade confidently and enjoy the benefits of better performing windows every day.